I bet you didn't know you could whip up a dreamy keto cheesecake in just under an hour. Well, let's get started. First up, the crust. Grab some keto cookies. I prefer crushed peanut butter cookies, but almond butter cookies work great too if you've got a peanut allergy. Mix them with melted unsalted butter till it feels like wet sand. Press this mix into a 9-inch springform pan and pop it in the fridge. Now for the filling. In a high-speed blender, blend softened cream cheese, room temp sour cream, and your favorite sugar substitute till it's smooth as silk. Crack in the eggs and add a splash of vanilla extract. Give it another good blend. Pour this luscious mix over your chilled crust. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 55 minutes till the center is just set. Let it cool, then chill it in the fridge for at least 4 hours. And there you have it, a quick, creamy keto cheesecake that'll wow your taste buds. Enjoy every bite.